Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download songs with Chrome on iPhone. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Chrome application, or maybe it can be another browser like Safari browser. So after that, in the search bar you need to type Pixabay and then click on the Go button. Then you need to open pixabay.com link, here it is. This is the first one link. After that you will see this interface. First of all, you need to click on the accept all cookies at the bottom of your screen, and then at the top of your screen you will see different options: Explore, Photos, Illustrations. You need to scroll this list to the left until you find Music, then click on that one button. After that you can scroll down and find many songs. You can download any of these songs. You can click on the Discover More and find another songs. So actually you can click on the search bar, here it is, and then type any music name you want. So for example, I will download this one, Music. After that you will see this interface. You need to wait a little bit, then click on the Verify. After verification you need to click on the Download, and after that, at the bottom left corner, you need to click on the download button, then downloads, and then you will see your music file. So after that, you can share, you can listen this music file, or you can delete this file if you want. So, and that's all, and that's how to download songs with Chrome on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.